This question is again based on the property. Okay. So what we have to find now? Determinant of adjoint A. Okay. Now according to the property, what it is? Adjoint A and its determinant. We have gone through each and every property. Okay. So this is determinant of A n minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now what is determinant of A? That is 5. What is n? Order of the determinant, that is 3 by 3, n is 3. So adjoint of adjoint A and its determinant is equal to 5 raised to power 3 minus 1 whole. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we are having 5 raised to power square of 2, that is 4. 3 minus 1, 2, square of 2, that is 4. So answer is 625. Answer.